Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all good. I am Robinson, your social science teacher from Bharadasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakoram. Okay children, today we are going to continue the lesson. Already we are discussing in previous session the 19th century social religious reform movement. That chapter only we are going to continue here. Children, in previous session we discussed about the various reformers and what are the movement which was started. Among that we discuss about the Raja Ram Mohan Rai and what are the contributions he did for the society. That is only we are going to discuss in this video session. Actually in the year of 1828 only the person Raja Ram Mohan Rai he started this Brahmo Samaj. For what purpose it gave an importance? It gave an importance for the anti-idol worship. And the person Raja Ram Mohan Rai gave an importance for the only one God. He believed that there is only one God. It may be any form. He may be Lord Rama or Lord Jesus Christ or Allah. But the person is believing there is only one God. So this is the ideology of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. And after that he started a temple. In the year of 1828 only he started a temple in the place of Calcutta. This temple, it is very special. What is the special in that? This temple won't contain any kind of the idol worships. There is no idols in the place of the temple. And in the temple they mention, in this place we should not discriminate and then insult any kind of forms about any religion. That is what he mentioned. Here you could see that no religion should be revealed. Revealed is known as insulting. So we should not insult any religion in this place. In this place in the sense the temple. And after that the person is mentioned contemptuously, which means we should not snore full. At the same time we should not allude at the religion. About that only he mentioned in Brahmo Samaj, very particularly in that temple. And after that this man he gave an importance for the Bengal people. Not telling only the Bengal people, because of this Brahmo Samaj only the Bengal people they got a number of ideas, thoughts. It was developed because of this Brahmo Samaj. And he is a man who developed the intellectually the Bengal people. At the same time it won't give much support for the underground people. So socially and politically some people they are not developed. These people they are not getting awareness about the Brahmo Samaj. This is the lack of Brahmo Samaj. And after that the Brahmo Samaj given more attention for the Bengal, and more intellectuals they started to grow in the place of Bengal because of the Brahmo Samaj alone. And after that end of the person Brahmo Samaj leader, founder, the person Raja Ram Mohan Rai. There is a new man who was appointed for the head of Brahmo Samaj. The person only is known as Debendranath Tagore. We are all familiar about this person. Debendranath Tagore is the father of Rabindranath Tagore. First of all we have to know when Raja Ram Mohan Rai was died. So Raja Ram Mohan Rai he was died in the year of 1833. And after that only the person Debendranath he becomes the leader for that society and he started to run that. So with the support of Debendranath Tagore many changes came to us, very particularly in Bengal. And here he described about the faith of the God. He given 4 messages about the God. First point, he described about in the beginning there is nothing, which means there is nothing. So there is nothing. He said there is only one person is there, the person only is known as God. So he is a man who created of this universe. He have everything. He only created everything. That is the message said by the person. And the person again is said, he is an God of truth, infinitive of wisdom, and is the eternal. What is meant by eternal? The meaning of eternal is known as constant. So he is permanent. Many person is telling everything is going to be changed, but here the God is going to be impermanent. This is the idea of the person Debendranath Tagore. And after that, the God is known as omnipresent. Omnipresent in the sense, he present in everywhere. We are telling now in Tamil also, Kadavul Thunilam irpar, Thurumbilam irpar. So like that here, omnipresent is known as the presence of God in our earth everywhere. So this is the ideology about the Debendranath Tagore, about the faith, not about the God. So about the faith he mentioned. And after that, our salvation depends on doing and following the will and wish of the God. So our happiness, it depends on the God only. So what we have to do? We have to worship the God in the name of doing his will. Okay, and we should love each other. So these are the points which is mentioned by the Debendranath Tagore. So this is about the Brahmo Samaj during the time of Debendranath Tagore leadership. And after that, we are going to discuss about Kesab Chandra Sen. So Kesab Chandra Sen, he is one of the colleague of Debendranath Tagore. Actually, Debendranath Tagore is a moderate reformer. So many persons, they wanted a number of changes rapidly. Among them, the person Kesab Chandra Sen, he is a man also wanted to make a number of changes in the society. So at that time, the person, he was born in the year of 1838 and his life continued till 1884. During that time only, he made some changes in the Indian society. So the person Debendranath Tagore, I already told you that he is a moderate reformer, and after that the person Debendranath Tagore, he wanted to be continue as the leader for the Brahmo Samaj. In the year of 1866, there was a controversial was happened in the Brahmo Samaj. It made the party or the society is going to be split. At that time, the Debendranath Tagore, he called the Brahmo Samaj is known as Adi Brahmo Samaj. And after that, the person Kesab Chandra Sen, he went from the Brahmo Samaj and he started a separate association. And after that, the person Kesab Chandra Sen, he is influenced by the Christianity. So he followed the Christianities, everything. At that time, he had a child, daughter, 14 years old. She got and married the Indian prince. So this is a kind of child marriage. The many people of the Brahmo Samaj, they started to against this. Why? Because the Brahmo Samaj main core is known as they should against the social evils. Very particularly the female infanticide, child marriage and the widow marriage. So in this place, 14 years kid, she got and married the Indian prince. This is against the Samaj. So many people, they quit from the person Kesab Chandra Sen and he lost his the mightiness. So this is about the person Kesab Chandra Sen. So children, in this video session, we discuss about the Brahmo Samaj. In this Brahmo Samaj, who started that Brahmo Samaj we discuss, and after that, end of the Raja Ram Mohan Rai, who became as the leader for the Brahmo Samaj, that is also we discussed. During Debendranath Tagore, what kind of changes he did to the society, that is also we discussed, and he given 4 articles about the faith, that is we discussed. And after that, the Brahmo Samaj is split into 2. At that time only, Kesab Chandra Sen, he came out from that and he started a separate association. But his principles is became against the Brahmo Samaj. Example, I told you that his daughter, she got married 14 years age itself. So this is against the Brahma Samaj and everybody leave him. So this is about the whole Brahma Samaj. So through that you could understood what are the contribution which is did by the Brahma Samaj. Okay children, end of this video session. In description box we attached question bank, study material and self assessment, everything. Kindly go through that and develop your skill. Thank you.